Bola ng Preciso. Number 26, Candelaria to number 12. Tabor kay number 0. Rebound by number 17, Aguilar. Kay Lea Mula. Foul. Offensive foul by number 8. Lalo, first personal foul, first team foul. Tabor, number 12. Ilalim, masyadong mataas. Third out. Kaya nila. Number 7 sa test, wala. Rebound by Torres. From number 31 sa laksak. Crossover sa Betira, wala. Rebound by Torres. Kay number 7. Number 8, holding foul. Number 7, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 7, lost by number 0, Surreal. Traveling violation by number 7. Surreal to number 26. Candelaria to Surreal. Number 12, kumuha ng 3, wala. Number 10, kumuha ng number 10, follow up by number 7. Nakuha ni number 8. Pass by number 7 to number 7 to number 23. Dapat. Foul, 2 points by foul. Candelaria, diskarte. Number 6. PMFC ball. According to our arrow. Number 23 na foul, fouling the ball to number 7. 17 to number 23. Kaya Torres na laksak. Paras by Suriao sa number 7 sa 3. Tapos. Suriao, running the ball. Tabor, number 12. Tabor. Ay, number 26 sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Taras by number 0. Nakuha ni number 7 sa 3. Wala. Number 17. Wala. Taras by number 7. Pasa. Steve. Juan Torres. Nakuha ng bola. Basket by number 8. Number 12, Tabor. Blocked by number 8. Kay number 23. To number 7, Aguilar sa press. Wala. Rebound by Soria. Kay number 12. Stop. Rebound by Torres. Steal by number 0, Soria. Kay number 12. Pila sa ilalim, basket, number 12. Number 23. Number 23 to number 7, Aguilar. Aguilar sa laksak. Pinali kay Torres. Torres sa ilalim. Wala. Number 8 to Sabra. Sabref, number 4, 8, number 12, bola ng physics. Candelaria, number 26. To steal by number 17. Walking foul by number 26. Sabref, number 26. Out, number 19. Number 26, second personal foul, second team foul. 17 Aguilar to Torres, traveling violation. Number 4, bounding the ball to number 9. Rodriguez to drop, number 31 drop for 3 points by number 31 drop. Number 22. And number 17. By number 31, sa nakasakang bola, Trump, ayan na sa ilalim, basket by number 31, Trump, 2 points by number 31. Running score, 36-26. Number 23, 8. Steal by number 7, Suriao, easy layup. Timeout, PMFC. Running score, 36-28 in favor of PMFC.
Kababayan ko, konti lang ang nanonood. Konti lang po ang nanonood dito ngayon sa plaza. Mga kababayan, kaya walang hiyawan. Yan, panorin nyo ulit.
Back to the target. PMFC ball. Abelar. And bounding the ball to number 20. Ipa. Masyadong mataas ang pasa ng Ipa. Number 0 to number 9. Rodriguez. Rodriguez kay number 0, Zulia, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 8, steal by Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Foul. Foul by number 8, falling foul. Divided by number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 31, inbounding the ball to Suriel. Intercepted by number 7 to steal by Suriel. Libre si number 7. Easy basket by number 7. To number 7 for wala. Rebound by number 4. Power rebound. 31. Layup. Basket. Number 31. The running score 36-32. 4-point lead by PMFC. Last 16 to shoot. Number 8 sa tres. 1 hand. 3-point no good. Rebound by Rodriguez. Foul. Number 8, holding foul. Tanyo, number 8. Ayan. Number 9, Rodriguez. Rebound by number 7 to number 17, Aguilar. Basket by Aguilar. Run score 38-32. Rodriguez. Rodriguez, shot. Wala. Rebound by number 17 Aguilar. Blocked by number 0. Storial. Number 20, Gibbs. Gibbs. To foul. Number 9, pushing foul by number 9, Rodriguez. Rodriguez, first personal foul, 13 foul. Masyado mababa. Number 7, ako ang dulo. Same ball. Nasipa ni number 8. Last 2 minutes to play. Soria calling the ball to number 7. Kay Rodriguez. Rodriguez nakita. To Soria. Soria number 0 to the 21 yard 3. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Kay Soria sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Basket. Yan, nandito. Basket by number 0. Soria. Running score 38-34. Last 14 to shoot. Gibbs sa key. Number 7. Masyadong malakas talaga. Tira number 7. Foul. What's the foul, ref? Number 9. Rodriguez. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. First row basket by number 20. Gibbs. Last row. Last row down basket. Rebound number 17. Arrow. Physical ball. Number 9, Rodriguez to Corteza. Umikot. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 20, Gibbs. Hinalays pa. Corteza. Number 4. Masyadong mamamolin. Pasa. Tapos may Suriyaw. To number 7. Number 7. Masyadong mataas din ang pasa. Turnover, bola na wet. Running score 41-34. Last 23 seconds. Babasag na lang po yan. Last 20 seconds. Rodriguez, number 9. Backcourt violation. Bola ng Perez. Last 11.4 seconds. Number 20, Gibbs. Dribbling the ball to Steve Bergosurio. Last 3. Foul. Pushing foul by number 3. Last 2.6 seconds. Penalty. Penalty situation.
hanggang dito na lamang po ang pagbablog ko. Welcome to my channel, Jaime Ton Vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.